In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set spaces and permissions in Zoho Wiki. Although the classic Zoho Wiki experience has evolved into Zoho Learn's knowledge base and wiki-style system, the idea is the same. Organize your content into clear buckets and control who can view, edit, and manage it. First, let's clarify what a space is in Zoho Learn. Think of a space as a top-level container for related manuals and articles. It often maps to a team, department, or topic. For example, you might create an HR space for onboarding and policies, a support space for FAQs and troubleshooting guides, or an engineering space for technical standards. Each space has its own content, members, and governance, which helps you keep information structured and secure. To create a space, open Zoho Learn and head to the Spaces tab. Click Create Space, or the plus button. Give it a clear name and description, and if you like, add a banner or logo so it's easy to recognize. Save your changes. After the space is created, open it, click the More Options icon, and go to Settings. Under Policies, decide who can create manuals in this space: everyone, admins only, or selected users. Click Done when you're finished. This simple policy choice helps you prevent clutter and keep authorship in the right hands. Next, manage who belongs in the space and what they can do. Access in Zoho Learn follows a role-based model. Hub admins have top-level control across the entire hub, including users, spaces, and global settings. Space admins manage their specific space. They can add or remove members, grant read or edit rights, and tune policies for manuals and articles inside that space. Regular space members can view and participate based on permissions granted, and they may be allowed to edit if you enable it. Permissions cascade from the hub to the space and then down to individual manuals and their articles. You can control who can read, contribute, or administer content. Typically, the space or manual owner decides who can view or edit, assigning roles like reader, contributor, or admin when sharing. For example, you might keep a manual read only for most users while allowing a small contributor group to edit. Finally, sharing and external access give you flexibility. You can share manuals with everyone in your hub or generate external links with options like passwords and expirations. Choose reader or contributor access as needed. If you run a public or external knowledge portal, you can publish content with controlled access, from registered users to anonymous visitors, in line with your security policies.